An apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a year takes all your money away. Oh, that was a bad joke. I'm so sorry. Well, here I am with the latest iPhone 17 Pro in orange color. And I'm going to do a fake unboxing, and that is because my cousin bought this, and obviously she has already unboxed it and looked at the phone, and then she realized I have a cousin who could use this phone for a review. So thanks to her. And after unboxing, I'm going to quickly compare it against some of the older phones lined up here. This is the 12 Pro in blue color. This is my 13 Pro in gray color. My wife's latest 16 Pro. I'm not going to talk a lot about the phone itself because there are thousands of videos already out there that have done an in-depth review. Most of them have spoken about how good the camera is. Some of them have spoken about how much Apple has improved the camera quality this time, and some others have spoken about how good the camera is this year. So I will leave it there, and I'll just compare the appearances of the phone and talk about the materials that Apple used in the past and how they have circled back to keep minting that money that they do every single year gracefully. Let's start with the fake unboxing. So on the box, it's all orange across. This one is still not removed. Oh my god, that looks very orange to me. First impression, I'm getting reminded of cream biscuit that I used to eat as a child. It's too orange for my taste. So what else? USB-C cable and the documentation. Keep it aside. Let me open this up. So there's antenna here. It's all aluminum body. This is like light orange and this is dark orange. Really reminds me of the, have you eaten those cream biscuits with orange filling inside? You just open it up and lick the cream and put it back. I don't know why these two colors are reminding me of that biscuit. It feels so light. Let's quickly compare against iPhone 16 Pro. Now this has the camera cover on this, so please keep that in mind. This is titanium, this is aluminum. Now there definitely is a huge difference. The phone feels, of course, this feels slightly heavier. Aluminum is always lighter. So that's how it looks against an iPhone 16 Pro. The thickness is almost the same. That's my 13 Pro, definitely very heavy as compared to the 17 Pro. But this, along with the heaviness, it also comes with premium feel, right? This is all stainless steel, more durable, of course. Let's talk about the materials for sure. But yeah, stainless steel is more durable. This is aluminum, and that's why I said how Apple has circled back to what it used to be. My inclination is still towards my 13 Pro in terms of its look and feel, and the heaviness that makes it look and feel more premium. This is the 12 Pro, also of stainless steel and glass. This also feels more premium than the 17 Pro. This is my personal opinion. I don't want to upset anybody, but yeah, that's how I feel the iPhone 17 Pro is. It's just gone back to the 6S days. People have gone crazy. standing in queues to get hold of a new iPhone of a different color and a slightly better camera just talks about how much a $1 trillion company can brainwash people. And this is to those who buy an iPhone every year. Look into my eyes. You don't need to buy an iPhone every single damn year. Imagine the number of books and courses you could buy with that money. You don't need an iPhone every year. Of course, if you're upgrading from, let's say, 12 Pro to 13 Pro to 17, yes, makes sense. But if you have a 16 Pro and you're saying, I need the 17 Pro just because I like the new orange color, it's because of you that Apple is making money. Come on, let's face it. We used to get stainless steel before, right? This is more durable, the 12 Pro and the 13 Pro. It feels so premium. So there's ceramic glass on both the sides and it is so durable. I've been using this for the past 4 years and it still works great. You can extend the life of your iPhone easily for another 2 to 3 years by just replacing the battery if it has started deteriorating. And then they move to a better material, which is titanium. And yes, this was a good move by Apple and it definitely feels premium. But when they launched 17 Pro this year and they said it's aluminum, and of course they say that, it dissipates heat better. This is a strategy Apple is applying, has been applying and will continue to apply for people to get fooled every single year and stand in queues and wait even after pre-ordering to collect their phone. Hats off to them for their marketing. But guys, if you have, let's say, even a 15 Pro, you don't need a 17 Pro. Just live with it. And please try to see if you could use that money in developing your own skills. So I don't want to get into philosophical thoughts here, but I'm just telling you what I feel right now. But it's your money. Please go ahead and spend it the way you like. There's still no fast charging. The battery is going to be bad. And the AI is a joke. I have not tested it on this phone, but I have on the 16 Pro. I think Apple is doing this deliberately because I'm sure they have the technology. They know how to implement better AI within this phone, but they don't want to because they always want to give you those incremental upgrades so that you feel the need to buy a new phone every single year. If Samsung can do it, if Samsung can make this watch disappear from my arm in a photo, then even Apple can do it, but they don't want to do it. They are not doing it. What happens on an iPhone is it just gets distorted and you can still see parts of the watch. And please, people who are going to buy this, don't hate me. It's still a very good phone, but I just feel that it's not a great upgrade from a 16 Pro titanium to a 17 Pro aluminum body, which has already started showing signs of scratches shared across by many people. You have to absolutely get a case for this phone. And my inclination after seeing this color is more towards the blue color because that's closer to black. And I'm sure Apple is going to launch the black color very soon, maybe 6 months down the line, which will boost their sales. I am behind Apple in this video. But yeah, I'm slightly disappointed with their choice of material. Maybe their objective was to make it lighter and manage the heat dissipation better. As an end user, as a consumer, I'm not very happy.